What's going on, everyone? Beautiful day in spring, April 1st. I was about to do some funny April 1st video, but Mother Nature had a whole different plan for me today. Check this out. Look what's going on. A massive oak tree just slammed, and look how lucky I am. The tree didn't hit the shed, tree didn't hit the play area, but another walnut tree took the hit, and you can see that tree split into half. This massive oak tree is completely down. Amazing. Let me take a walk around so you can see. Just wow, look at that big tree resting on the smaller tree. It literally was going towards the shed, but that one branch that was offset like that caught it, and it slid through and hit that Y really hard. It's unbelievable. Look at that break. As you can see, it's right above the shed, just missing it by a foot or two. That's because of the other walnut tree. Sad part is that walnut tree had really good walnuts. Hopefully it'll grow back if I can save that one branch that's left over. Oh, come on, shut up. I know. Guess who's the most luckiest one of all? I'll show you. There's a nest box right on that tree that got split into two. As you can see, there's a family of finch lives right in there. See that guy? Just imagine that tree falling right next to your house and that vibration that makes. Boy, that finch family is the luckiest one alive at this point. Alright, the next step is to kind of clean up this mess. I'll call some guys to help out. It's gonna be interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the tree falling video.